Hi stylers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be sharing with you some simple ways that you can use to make your home smell good. So you always hear me talk about it doesn't make sense your home is clean or looks clean and doesn't smell good. Smell is another scent that makes your home feel and look luxurious. So in today's video I'm just going to share some simple affordable ways that you can use to make your home smell good using stuff around the home that you have already, or just to purchase a few stuff that are affordable as well. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. And thank you Dossier for sponsoring today's video. There are so many ways that we can use to make our home smell good, but the first thing we need to do is to remove all the trash and garbages from our home. Empty the garbage bins from our kitchen, empty out the spoiled expired food from our refrigerator, empty the bins in the bathrooms and so around the home, because it doesn't matter what you use. If you have garbages laying around the home, that's not going to help it. So try to remove the garbages, and that's the first way that we can use to make our home smell good. Baking soda is very useful around the home. It can use for so many purposes. For cleaning purpose, baking soda helps to remove odors from our space. Open a box of baking soda, put it in the refrigerator. What this does is it absorbs the odor in the refrigerator, making the refrigerator smelling fresh. You ever open up your refrigerator and it smells musty? What the baking soda does, it absorbs those smells and gives your refrigerator a fresh smell. Also, baking soda is great to throw on like a carpet or your mattress and you vacuum it up. So baking soda is very useful. Baking soda is good for cleaning as well. So like using baking soda and vinegar into your sink or your toilet drain or your kitchen sink drains and so, because you know sometimes scent can come from those. The baking soda and vinegar helps to absorb those scents and remove odor, while it also helps to unclog your sink if you have any clogging going on. So baking soda is one of those household products that you can use to make your home smell good. And since I mentioned baking soda and vinegar, vinegar is another product that you can use to clean your home. Most persons use it to wipe their floors, like the tiles, if they have white tiles and so. So vinegar is one product that you can use. Candle is another way that we can use to make our home smell good. Get a nice smelling candle. There are so many scented candles out there. Some are very reasonable, some are a bit expensive. It depends on what you like. Remember, if you have pets and so you have to look for pet friendly odors as well. And if you have children around, ensure to light your candle, put it away from children to prevent any fire or so. So get a nice fresh scent depending on your season. So if you are in the spring, the summer, winter, you have different candles for different seasons. So get a nice candle, light it around the home. That's one way that makes your home feel and smell good, and also gives you that luxe feel and luxe look as well. And since I mentioned candle, it makes sense I mention essential oils. Essential oils is a great way to make your home smell good, while it also helps with your inhaling depending on the type of oil you're using. Get yourself a nice diffuser. If you don't have a diffuser, you can get a bowl with hot water. Pour your favorite essential oil to it and let that fume around the home. That is a great way to make your home smell good. What I normally do with essential oil as well, sometimes I drop a few droplets onto my rugs, in the bathroom, in the living room and in the bedroom, and that scent also stays there. Essential oils can also be used into your garbage bins. Into your bathroom, what you can do is to get a cotton pad, and then you can put the essential oil onto the cotton pad, put it in the bottom of the bin, and then you can put your garbage bag over it, or you can put it inside the garbage bag. What it does is to make your garbage don't smell that bad. So essential oil is useful for that purpose. Also, essential oil is great if you can put it inside your tissue roll. While you're using your tissue, it's a great way to spread around the bathroom. So essential oil is very useful for that purpose. So you see how much things essential oil is useful for? So get yourself your favorite essential oil. You can get it in lavender, tea tree, orange, tangerine, eucalyptus. There are so many flavors out there, so you can always get your favorite essential oil. Since I mentioned essential oil, the next thing you can get is a room spray. They have many different room sprays out there, different scents and so room spray. Those are very good. I got this lavender room spray. It is very useful. It makes this place smell fresh. It has lavender in it as well. So a nice room spray helps to make the room smell good. You can just spray it throughout the home and it gives you that nice smell. And since I mentioned room spray, air freshener is another thing. You have the Febreze carpet air freshener. You have the one for your sofa and so you have different Febreze or other air freshener that you can purchase. These are great stuff that you can buy to make your home smell good. Another way to make the home smell good is to ensure that you smell good. If you don't smell good and you don't use a nice cologne and so, then how can the home smell good? Because half of the time you might be smelling yourself. So ensure that you smell good. And since I mentioned you smell good, this portion of the video is sponsored by Dossier, and I'm here to make you smell good. Now, Dossier is one of those perfume brands where you can get your luxury perfume for a fraction of the price. So what they do, those expensive perfume out there that you can't afford, what they do, they create a replica for those and you get most of the time the exact smell. Majority of the time it smells just like the I brand perfume. For example, this one here that I got, it is a floral jasmine. It was inspired by Tom Ford Jasmine Rogue, and you get the exact smell of that Tom Ford perfume. Now if you're a person that loves Tom Ford and you love that smell, you can always get this dupe. This is a floral jasmine. If you love a fruity smell, it gives you that fruity smell. And what I love about it, the scent lasts long. Now I went to work, I put it on and went to work, and when I reached home the smell was still on my shirt. I can tell you that one for sure. Now the top notes for this one includes neroli, it includes cardamom, bergamot and pepper. The middle note is jasmine, sambac, lang lang, broom flower, and the base notes include labdanum, clary sage and vanilla. So the concentration is 18%, and let me tell you, ooh, it smells so lovely. Woo! Smell good. So if you need one of these colognes, you can always get it. The link will be down below. And another thing is they are available now in your favorite Walmart store. So the other one I received was this woody freesia. So the woody freesia is inspired by Giorgio Armani, and this one includes, the base note is patchouli, vanilla, blonde woods musk. The middle note is rose, jasmine, peach, and the top note is freesia, blackcurrant and strawberry. Let me tell you something, if you're a person that loves Giorgio Armani, oh gosh, these smell so good. And these so if you can't afford the expensive top brand, get yourself one of those Dossier perfume, and let me tell you, you guys won't regret it. This one I tried it as well. I went on the road in the sun and I thought that the scent would wear out, and let me tell you, the scent was still on my shirt. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I'm sure that your loved one might have a favorite perfume that they have on their list for like a $400, $300. If you can't afford it, go to Dossier website and try to get the dupe for it. They have so many dupes or replica for them, so you guys can choose. So ensure that you visit Dossier. Click the link down in the description. Visit your nearest Walmart store to check out what they have there and enjoy. This would be a great gift for anyone that they would love. So let's continue this video and share some other ways that you can use to make your home smell good. Another way to make your home smell good is by using those Downy Unstoppables. Downy Unstoppables are great for washing your clothes and everything, but you can also get one of those mesh bags. You can put them into the bag and put it into different sections around the home. You can put it in your bathroom, and also what you can do is to get a bottle with warm water or semi-hot water if the bottle is not going to melt. Throw your Unstoppables in it, let it melt, and that would be a fragrance that you can spray around the home, on your sofa, on your curtains, and so to get the home smelling fresh and nice. Just imagine you get that lovely smell into your home. like when you wash your clothes. Another simple way to make your home smell good is by bringing in fresh florals. So fresh flowers outside into your home, some nice rose, or so if you go and buy some fresh flowers, that's another way to give you some nice smelling scent into your home. So fresh flowers is another way that you can use to make your home smell good. And last but not least, this method you can use to make your home smell good is by using simmer pot. So simmer pot include like your cinnamon, your clove, apples, and just different stuff that you put to a boil, and that scent will make the home smell good. It gives that aroma around the home. If you have tried any of these or have not tried any of these, like the simmer pot and so, try it, you will love it. Thank you again for watching today's video. Thank you Dossier for sponsoring today's video. Please remember to click the link down below to get your favorite luxury inspired brand for a fraction of the price with Dossier. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.